Hi everyone, this is Philip Bell, and this is my lifestyle project introduction video. So as you see here, according to the calculations we did last week, it would take about 2 Earths to sustain 1 Earth populated by 7.5 billion of me. Now the problem with this is, both of these Earths are populated by 7.5 billion me's each, for a total of 15 billion me's, which would then require 4 Earths to sustain. And I think you see where this is going. Now, assuming we can't colonize infinitely many Earths, it seems that my options have been slimmed down to either Thanosing half the human population in half, or cutting down on my habits so that my planet requires a maximum of 1 Earth to sustain 7.5 billion of me. So, according to the results, a large portion of my ecological footprint comes from food, which makes sense. Those chicken salad sandwiches at the BMU are quite possibly the only thing keeping me alive on busy days. The next contributor is goods, which I'm not sure what that means. I'm assuming waste. I also see that 50% of my ecological footprint comes from CO2 emissions. I would assume a lot of that comes from power. I'm not sure. The graph's pretty confusing. Anyways, so here's my 2-week plan. As you can see, I chose to cut back on garbage, meat consumption, and electricity. And as according to the rules, I'm doing 2 days of each on the first week and 3 days of each on the second week. Garbage and meat are pretty straightforward. My plans for electricity, reduced by 50%. I aim to achieve this by turning off all the lights before I leave buildings, like plural buildings. For example, I am currently in the Performing Arts Center doing this assignment, and I intend to turn off like all the lights on my way out, and there's a whole lot of lights, which means I'm about to save a whole lot of planets. And the other one is just gonna turn off my laptop because I'm done with this thing. Okay, good night.